Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, class 9th. Hope all of you are fine. I am your biology teacher. Okay, chapter number 3, biodiversity. Today this is your last video related to chapter number 3. So we will discuss last topics of this chapter in that video. So today we will discuss steps for the conservation of biodiversity, and second topic which we will discuss today is endangered species in Pakistan. Okay, now start from the first topic, steps for the conservation of biodiversity. Now, conservation of biodiversity has become a global concern. Biologists urge the national policy makers to state a set of rules necessary to protect a species. They demand that laws should define species which are threatened by extinction and must be protected. Okay, so conservation means protection are methods used to protect those species which are endangered. Though rich in biodiversity, Pakistan today also faces a threat to various species of animal and plants. So the greatest concern is the loss of natural habitat. Okay, so natural habitat are lost because of deforestation. So main causes of this loss are rapid growth in human population and then prevailing poverty in rural areas of Pakistan. Okay, so it's mean to fulfill the needs of human population. Many areas, many forests are cut down, and that area are used for construction of houses, or they are used for agriculture purposes. Okay, so in addition to this, low literacy rate is also reason for failure of conservation measures taken so far. Okay, IUCN and WWFP. These are two organizations. Okay, IUCN, that is abbreviation of the National Union for the Conservation of Nature and Natural Resources. Okay, the International Union for the Conservation of Nature and Natural Resources, IUCN, and WWFP stands for World Wildlife Fund Pakistan. World Wildlife Fund Pakistan. Okay, these two organizations work in close coordination with Pakistani's Ministry of Environment and other government and non-government institutions. Okay, so the IUCN has prepared the first national red list. Okay, so red list, it comprises the list of endangered and threatened species present in Pakistan. Okay, here we have few examples of environmental work that has been carried out in Pakistan in order to conserve species and associated habitats. Okay, so let's start from first organization, that is National Conservation Strategy. In 1980, IUCN and the government of Pakistan formulated the National Conservation Strategy for Pakistan for the conservation of Pakistani biodiversity. Okay, then second is UN Convention on Combating Desertification, CCD. This is an international treaty against damage and poverty in dry land, and Pakistan signed this in 1997. Now third organization is Himalayan Jungle Project, HJP. Himalayan Jungle Project. It started in 1991 in the Palace Valley in Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, KPK. It aimed at protecting one of the richest areas of biodiversity in Pakistan. Okay, next organization is Conservation of Biodiversity of Suleiman Ranges, Balochistan. Suleiman Range Chilgoza Forest is the largest Chilgoza forest in the world. In 1992, the WWFP started its conservation program. Okay, next organization is Northern Area Conservation Project. The northern areas of Pakistan serve as a habitat for a number of wildlife species. The survival of these species is under threat. The NACP, mean National Area Conservation Project, is a project of WWFP which is successful in implementing a ban on hunting of these species. The northern areas provide habitat to musk deer, snow leopard, Astor markhor, and Himalayan ibex, woolly fly squirrel, and the brown bear. Now, conservation of migratory birds in Chitral, KP. Chitral lies on the migratory route of several important bird species. These birds faces enormous hunting pressure. WWF Pakistan initiated efforts to reduce the hunting pressure in 1992. The efforts proved successful. It is estimated that about 2 lakh of the 1 million migratory birds passing through Chitral are killed during migration. Now next organization is Conservation of Chiltern Markhor. Okay, Hazarganji National Park is located close to Quetta and is one of the remaining habitat of Chiltern Markhor in the country. Okay, so it's mean Hazarganji National Park is a remaining habitat of Chiltern Markhor. So WWF Pakistan developed the management plan of the park. Okay, so they develop a conservation program to conserve the Chiltern Markhor species in Hazarganji National Park. Okay, next important step is ban on games in which animals are involved. Okay, so foreigners visit the northern areas and play many games in which bears are used. Okay, so WWF Pakistan has been successful in imposing a ban on this illegal practice, and the herders capture the bear cubs and sell them to the trainer who train them and sell to the foreigners. Okay, so because of this, that is also the reason of species extinction of endangered organism in Pakistan. So ban on these type of game is a very important step to conserve the biodiversity. Okay, the next thing that we discussed in this video is endangered species in Pakistan. Okay, so due to human activities, the biodiversity in Pakistan is facing a great loss. So few example of endangered species in Pakistan are given in your book. So one by one we will discuss that. So first one is Indus dolphin. So according to WWFP, only 600 animals of the species of Indus dolphin are left today in the Indus River, and the population of this species declined due to water pollution, poaching, and destruction of habitat. Okay, so poaching is illegal hunting. So these are the reasons of decline in Indus dolphin species in Indus River, that is water pollution, poaching, and destruction of habitat. Now second endangered species is Marco Polo sheep. Marco Polo sheep are mostly found in the Kanjrab National Park and nearby areas. Okay, so Kanjrab National Park is their habitat. Okay, so their number have been rapidly decreasing in the last 2 decades, and WWFP has started projects for its conservation. Now Herbora bustard, that is third endangered species given in your book. So this bird flies to Pakistan in winter season from the former Soviet territory and settle in Cholistan and Thar deserts. So the decline in its population is due to hunting by foreigners and destruction of its habitat. Okay, did you know Markhor is the national animal of Pakistan? Look at this. This is the Markhor and it is the national animal of Pakistan. Now Chakor partridge is national bird of Pakistan. Look at this. This is the picture of Chakor partridge and it is the national bird of Pakistan. Okay, I hope you will understand chapter number 3, biodiversity. So from next week we will start next chapter. So all of you have to revise and learn chapter number 3. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.